I say I only want one night, but I ain't gon' spend the night. I ain't looking for relations, I'm just giving pipe. Want a foreign bad bitch, ride me like a bite.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. How y'all doing today? So in this video, I'm just gonna get straight into it because as you guys can tell, I'm pretty much halfway done with my head. Today, I am doing the rubber band box braid method. This is my first time braiding my hair, so I am very much, oh my gosh, I make no fucking sense. I am pretty much geeked about how far I've gotten and how everything looks. This is not going to be a tutorial. This is basically me showing you guys me doing it. I can't say it can be a little tutorial because I'm still learning as well. So yeah, I'm just gonna go and show you guys the stuff that I use and show you guys me braiding. Okay, so boom. In order to save me some time, I purchased me some pre-stretched hair and I also purchased me some curly crochet hair. So basically what we're going to be doing throughout this video is adding the curly hair to the bottom of the box braid. So if you already know how to braid, then this will come easy to you, like 1, 2, 3. So basically I just got me some jam and I just put it on my real hair just so I can stiffen it up a bit, just so I won't have no flyaways, and I did this process throughout the entire video. Alright, so basically we're just going to grip it. Alright, grip it. Okay, so in this clip, I'm basically going to show you how to do a heavy goddess braid. So this time we're going to add the crochet hair with the connector line hair, and we're just going to braid it on down regularly. Not regularly, y'all know what I'm saying, but not all the way down, but you'll see. So while we're braiding, we're going to stop and take some of the crochet hair out just so we won't braid that piece anymore. And we're just going to braid it down some more and leave out another crochet hair piece. And of course at the bottom we're going to add another crochet hair piece at the bottom. What we want is a flowy curly box braid. That's what we want, a effortless goddess box braid. And boom, ta-da, bitch. So right now I'm just braiding my hair, preparing it for me to dip it. Now I do want to say that dipping it can ruin the crochet hair curl, but it is what it is, and woo child, I was tired. Thank you guys for watching this video. Give this video a big thumbs up, comment down below if you like it, and yeah, I will see y'all in my next one. Love y'all.